Hello dear friends, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. Today we will be sowing tomatoes for further cultivation in our heated plastic greenhouse. Friends, today is February 5th and we are choosing the timing so that we can plant well-developed tomato seedlings at the beginning of April. So throughout February and part of March, we will be growing these seedlings until buds appear on them. We will be sowing the seeds in trays. Friends, since today we are sowing 4 medium-height hybrids, as I promised in one of the previous videos, this season we will be growing the medium-height tomatoes Gravitid, Caponnet, Devonnet and Qualitet. These are very good medium-height varieties, and throughout the season, as we grow them, I will show you the main advantages of medium-height tomatoes when grown in greenhouses compared to tall and short tomato varieties. We will do all of this together. You will see everything with your own eyes. I will show you what kind of yield we get from these seeds that we are sowing today and will harvest at the end of the season. So we are sowing in trays. The water holding capacity of any soil is a crucial factor. Water holding capacity and air permeability. Basically, I always mention this whenever we are sowing or transplanting. After filling the cells, don't forget to gently compact everything. When you use a good substrate, this kind of compaction is absolutely not a problem because it won't become so dense that the seed can't break through. Once you've done this and gently compacted it, add a bit more so that each cell is level with the edge and then scrape off the excess. That's it. The trays are ready to receive the seeds. Carefully spread the seeds over the surface of the compacted soil. It's important, let me emphasize again, the soil should be slightly compacted. Friends, take a pencil or look, a little clothespin like this and set the required planting depth for the seeds. For tomatoes, that's about 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter. And press all the seeds down to the chosen depth, just like this. Next, we cover them with a layer of soil. By placing the seeds at the same depth, we'll get even simultaneous sprouts. If you noticed, we didn't soak the seeds beforehand, so now it's important to water them thoroughly so they're in a moist environment. We'll water them using an air and droplet mixture, meaning we'll use this spray bottle for watering thoroughly, friends. Do you see? The moisture will gradually soak in and the seed will remain in a moist environment for a long time. After thoroughly watering, cover all the trays with clear plastic wrap or glass, whatever you have on hand. This is necessary to create a special microclimate so the moisture doesn't evaporate and the seed stays in a constantly moist environment. Friends, now we'll place our sown seeds in a temperature regime of about 22 to 24 degrees Celsius in our mini greenhouse. At this temperature, we can expect sprouts to appear in about 3 to 5 days. If you place the sown tomato seeds in a lower temperature, say around 10 degrees, the sprouts will appear on the 24th day. And of course, we'll keep an eye out for the sprouts so we don't miss them and can open the film in time. That's basically everything I wanted to share with you in this video. This is how we sow tomatoes. Once again, I want to remind you of the key points. Choosing the right timing, selecting the proper substrates for sowing, the planting depth I mentioned, thorough watering, and the necessary temperature. These are the 5 components that will help us achieve good sprouts. With that, I'll say goodbye and see you next time.